Hello, this is Cyberdragon. Today I'm going to talk about Cash Play. What it is you earn coins for watching videos and inviting friends, and the minimum withdrawal is $10. So 1,000 coins equals $10. You register now, you get 15 coins. I have done this, and they pretty much paid you. The pay was okay, good for side income. Okay, how you'll get paid? 1,000 coins equals $10. They'll check the request and send the money to about 7 business days. Let's just check this. Username, password. I'll just create an account. Show you the inside, what it looks like. Choose your gender. Okay. They operate in like all over the world, so you can pretty much find everything. You can subscribe to their newsletter if you desire to. Let's see the inside. Congratulations. Oh, you have to download on the, it's an app. Don't have much information on it, so let's look at the reviews. Okay, this is they have it on the app. So it's pretty much you can register online, but it goes all straight to the app. And let's see what they have. Coins, earn coins, account referrals, withdraw money. So the types of withdrawal you can do is multi-check, direct deposit, PayPal, and other let's see, payment methods are only in PayPal and Skrill. Skrill may be another app. Okay, you can request it. Coins are virtual coins. Real cash. Let's see what. Some people just have problem with username and password. You can also download games. Good effort. Earning. Got 4.3 out of 5. So pretty much. See, where is it about? Botsonia Savina Star Independent Company. BIA Next Evolution. So it's somewhere in the Europe or Eastern Europe. So pretty much there's not like no reviews on it, so I done it and made some money and then later stopped working. So it could be like a scam. So pretty much you can look at it, but this website's not secure and they don't have a lot of information on it, so it could be a scam. So you can download the app and just look at it, see the inside content. So I can't view it from here. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this to everyone so they know about CashPlay and what it does. All you gotta do is just watch videos and earn coins. But some people say you can do other features on it. And minimum withdrawal is $10. I'll put some description about it. And I hope to see you guys next time. Goodbye.